Okay, thank you. What is the last concept? Paid tracking done. Quick actions, yes. Okay, guys. So in the last example, for example, see guys, client is asking client is asking please try to understand the requirement in task action. Please remove for task action. How many fields are there? Opportunity. Go to any opportunity record. So here, for example, task. Yeah, task. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For example, status we don't require. Okay, status we don't require. So client is asking in task action, please remove status from which object? From account object. This is the requirement, guys. What is the requirement? In task action button, please remove status field from the account. So now go to account. See, in this case, go to account. Setup. Go to account. Why? That guy is asking from the account task action remove status field. So that's the reason we need to go to account. So this is the account. Within the account, come down. What is the option? Button links and actions. Task is there. Actions. See, what is that? URL stand. These all are pages, right? There is no actions. Task related action not there. Task related action not there. How to do that? But if you see in the account level, task action is there. In the account level, where is the task? New task. Task action is there. But if you go to the schema means the task related actions. Task is not available. That is the problem. Okay. Now, I will tell you one thing. Okay. Forget about this concept. Okay. The account task is there. I want to open lead. In the lead also, I will check task is there or not. New task action button is there or not. New task. How many fields? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same page, right? Same page. On lead also it is available. If you go to contact, same, check that new task. Same page available in the, what is that? In the contact as well. That means same action button will be available across all objects. But same button. Understand that? That means one action button shared across multiple objects. Button is same, but it is sharing across multiple objects. What is the button name? New task action button. This new task action button, if you go to any object, if you go to account object. It's there or not? In the account object, new task is there, right? Again, in the contact object, new task is there. In the opportunity object or in the other object, any object, what is that? New task is available. That means single action will share across multiple objects. That is the reason this is called, what is that? Global action. Global means available in across all objects. That is the reason this is called global action. What is that? Global action. Understand? It is a quick action, but it is a global action. Global action nothing but the action which is shared across or available across all objects. This is the example. If you go to account, it is available. If you go to lead, it is available. If you go to contact, it is available. Wherever you want, it is available. So single action will shared across multiple objects. That is the reason, what is that? This new task is called global action. This new task is called global action. So that means, please remember, this new task is not related to account, not related to contact, not related to opportunity, specific object. It is related to all objects. That is the reason whenever you are checking new task on account, it is not available. Whenever you are checking this new task on contact, not available. Whenever you are checking new task on opportunity, not available. Why? This is global action, not specific to specific object. Understood? Understood? That is the reason we call it as a global action. So, sir, how do you know? What is our requirement? In task action, please remove status from the account. Okay, I will go to global actions now. What is the option called? Global actions. Why? The action is global action, right? Global actions. Now check it. New task is there. New task is there. Open it. This is a new task. See, new task. Object is task related. Task. Okay. Now, what is the requirement? In task action, please remove status field. This is the task action. But it's a global action. So, remove means edit layout. We are removing the field, right? So, edit layout. See, what do you want? Status field. Is it possible? No. Why it is mandated? For example, name or subject don't require. For example, here, this guy is asking subject. Subject and what about some other fields? Due date also. Subject and due date. Why? Mandated fields will not remove, right, in the page layout. Okay. So please remember, this is not page layout. It is a global action page layout. This is a global action page layout. Now I will remove subject and due date. Okay. Why? Client is asking in task action, please remove subject and due date from account. Okay. I'm going to task action. I'm removing the fields. Now save it. Save it. Okay, done. I'm removing it and saving it. Now go to account object and check subject and due date is available or not. Subject and what is the other? Due date not available. 1, 2, 3, 4 fields. Instead of 6 fields, 4 fields. Problem will be resolved. As per client asking, in account object, we are removing it. But your work is done. But the problem is You are not changing in the account. You are changing in the global action layout. That means this is the global action. In this layout, instead of 6 fields, you are removing 2 fields. That means now how many fields are available? 4. These 4 are available in account, contact, opportunity, wherever all objects, only 4 fields are available. Why? It is a global action. So in that case, what is that? Account point of your requirement is fine, but because of your change, what is that? Lead is impacted. Lead people required 6 fields, but here what happened? 4 fields are available. In the upper contact, 4 fields are available. That means your requirement is good. Your requirement is in the account, 4 fields are coming. That is fine. But because of your change, other object task action will be impacted. So that is very, very important. Because of our change, nobody will impacted. So here your work is done in account point of view, but because of your work, your changes will be impact to other objects. Understand? So this is not good. This is not good. So that is the reason in that case, what is that? Don't use global action. Why? In the global action, if any change will be happen, that will be impact to all objects. So don't use global action in that case. So come to again global action. Revert back the changes as it is. What is that? Due date and status of subject. So now we are revert back the changes as it is. The remaining people are not impacted. Now you can understand, hey, whenever I'm changing this global layout, what happened? My problem will be resolved, but other problem will be coming. Why? In the account we are removing it, but the same way all standard objects are also impacted. So in that case, don't use global action. Go to account, create quick action. Why quick action? Quick action nothing but object specific. So go to account, where is that? Buttons and actions. Now new action. Which action you want? Task action. Understand? So I am creating task related quick action for only specific object. Understand? So specific object means this is the account object. I am creating the record. Which record? Which record you want to create? Task. New task. So here, where is the task? Task. Standard label. Use standard label. What is the standard label? New record. Name. So what is the name? Custom task. Okay, custom one. That's it, save it. See, page layout. Page. This is also action, but this action is belongs to object specific. Which object? Account related. Now see, remove subject and due date and save it. Now go to account. Go to account and click on edit. Now please remember in the account level, this is global action. We are creating one object specific quick action. So that means 2 actions are available. 2 actions. One is Salesforce provided global action. One is you are created as per client requirement, you are created quick action. Edit it. So now see, what is that? Where to go? Quick actions. What is that? New task. Just add it after new task. See, new task, new task. Don't be confused. These are the problems will be coming in the real time. Okay, I know. I'm working with that real time projects, right? We are facing these type of issues. Now click on save it. Why no 2? One is global action, one is quick action. Now see, if you come to here, New task, new task. Now, how do you know which one is custom, which one is quick action, which one is global action? Whatever fields are for, without, see, subject due date is there. This is the global action. This is the quick action. Now, which one you want to remove? Global action. Why? Client is asking, hey Ashok, please remove subject and due date from the account. So that means this is enough. So that means you need to remove, what is that? Global action. As a developer, you know, the remaining people don't know. Why? Both are same. As a developer, as a subject point of view, you know these two are, one is quick action, one is global action. But remaining people don't know. Okay? Now edit it. Now, for example, someone unfortunately removing these two. Okay? Unfortunately. Save it. Now see guys, here new task is not there. Now you need to add the what? Quick action or global action? Quick action. Where to go? Quick actions. How many quick actions are there? Now tell me which one is ours. This is the problem. Which one is quick action? Which one is global action? See, new tasks, how many new tasks are there? 2. Which one is yours? Which one is quick action? Which one is global action? How do you know?
Global action, okay, delete it.
Global action, you can't delete it. Why? Because it's Salesforce standard one, right?
Yeah.
But why you, if you are delete it will be impact other objects, right? Global action, if you are deleting it, that option not there. If you are deleting it, okay, then all standard objects, what happened? That action will be deleted. Again, other people will be asking you, hey guys, why are you deleting it? Don't delete it. So now tell me, new task, 2 things are there. We'll see, go to lead. Here, how many new tasks are there? 1 or 2? 1 or 2? Why 1? See, new task.
No. Yes.
Where is the new task? Third one, new task. See here. What's that? This is the new task. Here only 1 is there. Here 2 is there. Why? You are creating object specific action. That is called quick action. Understand? That's the reason 2 are there. But now how to identify which one is global action, which one is quick action? To be honest, guys, in my team, so many people are asking same thing. Those people more than 10 years of experience, people also don't know. So how to identify quick action or global action? Very simple. You are, whenever you are creating it, you are giving one API name. What is API name? Custom task something. Did you remember? Right? So just hover it. What is coming? Custom task. Label is new task. Whatever you are able to see, that is label. Name, API name. What is that? Account dot custom task. Did you see that? Account dot custom task. That is quick action. What is that? Label is new task. Name is new task. That means it's not related to account. It is related to all. So that is global action. Now you can identify that, right? Which one you want now? Second one, account related custom task. So now drag it. Where to drag it? See here. There is 2 sections. This is for classic. This is for lightning. Again, we'll come to the same concept in the lightning. Okay. Now you can drag this in the lightning. See this one. Add wherever you want. After post, I will have added new post. Save it. Now, this is the quick action. This is the quick action. Global action not there. If you go to other objects, those objects are not impacted. Why? Here, these people are using global action, but in our case, we are using quick action. Now understand when to use global action, when to use quick action. If the client is asking, hey guys, can you please changing something on the specific object? Then you are going to the object actions, create the quick action. Don't change global action. If you are changing the global action, your requirement will be fulfilled, but it will be impact to all other objects. So global action is a action, it will be sharing across multiple objects. Quick action nothing but it is specific to particular object. That is the only difference between quick action and global action. Clear? Online people clear? Any questions? Srini understood now? Understand when to create the quick action. What is the difference between quick action and global action? It is an interview question. Okay? Global action nothing but the action which is shared across multiple objects. That is, it is a standard one. That is called global action. What is the other one? Quick action. The action which is specific to particular object. Then that is called quick action. Specific to specific object. That is called quick action. Okay? Yeah. Now guys. So this is done. So like that, yesterday we are creating opportunity, right? On where? Here, huh? Where did you create opportunity? See here. One quick action we have created opportunity. This fails. And also here, new opportunity already there. This is the global action. This is the quick action. How do you know? Go to edit layout, not fields, API name. Go to edit layout and go to quick action. See, where is the opportunity? New opportunity and one more new opportunity. Both are new opportunities. See, new opportunity, new opportunity. So how do I identify that? Which is global, which is quick? Over it, new opportunity. See, this is the global. Account dot new opportunity. So account related is a quick action. Quick action. Object specific means quick action. Clear? I don't want. So that's it, guys. Maybe here I will share one document here. Okay, so that's it. Now, guys, where is the document? I will share with you. See, this is the document. Okay, global actions and quick actions. This mouse is not working properly. Feed tracking, navigation, then whenever you track the feed tracking, see here, the screen is coming. What is that? Task related, we are enabling it in right side section, enabling the feed tracking. Step 3, blah, 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 whatever we have discussed, everything will be coming here, guys. See here, whenever you are enabling it, this green highlighted feed tracking is coming. Then if you change the stage or order number, that means we are enabling the feed tracking for opportunity stage and order number. Anybody changing this, it is come under feed tracking. Okay. See, someone changing stage, someone changing order number. 2 feed tracking is coming. That means comments, global actions. Without navigating the current page, blah, blah, blah. See, relationship we will use global action and navigations. What is that navigation? How to go? See, global action, new action, create record, blah, blah, blah. Same. Action type, what is the action type? Which record, what is that? Create record or send email or log a call. This is the action type. Target object, which object, standard label, and everything I will explain you here, guys. Okay. Case feed item, success message, blah, 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 blah. This is the quick action and everything. So this is the, we are already discussed. Okay, document is already there. Now guys, another one. For example, in the account object, see guys, here edit, delete, sharing, and some buttons are there. I want to create my own button. I want to create a 1 second. Very good example. For example, products. Yeah, go to products, guys. We are creating two products, right? What is that? Apple, iPhone 14, and one more MacBook Pro. Okay, if you open it, try to understand my scenario. Okay. Before this, okay, I will introducing in the account object also. I will again come to there. Yeah, I want to create one button. As of now, how many buttons are there? Now, buttons means these are not buttons. These are the actions. Okay, actions. Actions are quick actions or global actions. These are the actions. Please remember, these are the actions. It is not a buttons. These are the buttons. Okay, I want to create my own button. What is the own button? Whenever I click on the button, I want to open one website. I want to open one website. I want to open some pop-up. I want to open blah, blah, blah. Okay. So how to create the button? So please remember here, this is called detail. This is the detail record. This is the related list. We are already discussed. This is the detail record. This is the related list. So in the detail page, whatever buttons are there, those are called detail page buttons. In the related list, whatever buttons are there, those are the list buttons or related list buttons. Terminology is very simple. This is the, what is that? Detail page. Detail page, whatever buttons are there, those are detail page buttons. What is this? Related list. In the related list, whatever buttons are there, these buttons, these are called list buttons or related list buttons. And in the detail page, see, this is one link is there. This is called detail page link. So that means, please remember here, in the entire, what is the IT industry, wherever you go, in any page, we are doing only access two ways. What is that? If you click the button or if you click the link. Apart from that, if you want to open it, for example, if you go to Amazon, if you want to perform some action, what is action? I want to open, what is that? Bestsellers. Here, this is the button or tab, like button. You are clicking it. Then only that related page is coming. That means you are performing one action on button. For example, this is what? It is not button. This is what? It is a link. So that means in IT industry, wherever you go, any application, if you want to navigate some other page, if you want to open something, if you want to order something, you are doing some action. What is the action? Click through mouse. The click is only two things. One is button or through link. Wherever you go, without button click or without link click, you can't do anything. Understand, guys? So that means here how to create this button, how to create this link. So the buttons are there where? In the detail page. That's the reason these buttons are called detail page buttons. The link is where? In the detail page. That's the reason this link is called detail page link. And again, these are so buttons. But where is this buttons? What is the context? Related list. So that's the reason these are called list buttons or related list buttons. So we are discussing three things. Two things first. What are that? Buttons are, in the Salesforce point of view, clickable things. Where to click? We are clicking maybe buttons or what? Links. If buttons are there in the detail page, then these buttons are called detail buttons. Detail page buttons. If buttons are there in the, what is that? Related list. So these are called list buttons or related list buttons. That's it. So buttons are in the Salesforce two types. One is detail page buttons or list buttons. If button is there on the detail page, 4 detail page buttons. If buttons are there in the related list, these are called related list buttons or list buttons. And links. These links always in the detail page links, guys. So now total clickable events, finally detail page buttons, list buttons, detail page links. How to create it, how to use it. These 3 things. Okay. So can we create it? For example, I want to, whenever I click on the button, I want to open Amazon website. Amazon website. Where? In account. So how to open it? Here. So the client is asking, hey, Ashok, can you please create one button? If you click on it, it will be open Amazon website. Okay. How to create it? Go to account. Go to first, that guy is asking what? Button. Where? Here. Here means which button? Detail page button. So now in your brain, oh, client is asking detail page button. If that guy is asking, hey Ashok, can you please create one button here? Then immediately in the back end, oh, that guy is asking list buttons. So which button he is asking? First you need to recognize. So now client is asking, can you please create Amazon button in the here? So the guy given one screenshot, here I want button. Oh, the place is here. That means it is a detail page button. So where? In account. So go to account object. Account object. Where to go? Actions already done. Now what is the pending? Buttons and links. Click on buttons. New action already done. Right? Quick actions. New buttons and links. Which button? Detail page button. Why? On detail page we want. See button name. What is that? Open Amazon. Open Amazon site. This is my button name. Okay. Open Amazon site. API name. What is API name? Open underscore Amazon underscore site. Same rule. Okay. Next, description. Whenever you are click on this button, it will be open by Amazon website. You can add it. Now see, whatever we discussed. What is that? Clickable things. Detail page link, detail page button, list button. We are all discussed same. Detail page button, list button, detail page link. Same, right? The 3 categories are coming. Now you can choose what? Link. Which one? Which button? Detail page button. Okay, for example, these guys are giving the examples also. See, detail page link. Click on it. See, this is a very old. Before I born, this is the screen will be available, guys. In the first time Salesforce introduced, right? At that time, the screen is look like this. It was screens. So still these people are using the same. Okay, leave it. So this is the detail page. See, this is the detail page. Here link is there. That means if you want to create here, you can use this option. Next, click on it. View example. See, buttons in the bottom or top, highlighted. So if you want to add the buttons here or here, you can use this option. Third option, list button. View example. See, list button means related list. If you want to add the buttons on related list, you can use it. Clear? Clear? Now, which button you want? Detail page button. What is the button? See, detail page button. That means I want to add this in the detail page. So, what is the behavior? Behavior means if you click on it, what should we do? The runtime engine asking, hey, you are choosing list button. The button label is this. Okay. If you click on it, how it is open the content. So here that is called behavior. That is called behavior. What is the behavior? Display in existing window with sidebar. Display in existing window with sidebar. That means here button is there. If you click on it, display, what is that? Display in existing window. What is the existing window? This is the existing window. So this existing window, display in existing window with sidebar. The Amazon website, in this window, it will be replaced. That means the Salesforce page will be replaced with the Amazon website in the same window. That is the behavior of this. Okay, we'll try. So, display in existing window with the sidebar. What is sidebar? Sidebar means this is a sidebar. Sidebar is coming. Okay, I will use as it is. It is asking URL, JavaScript, Visual Force. These two deprecated. Deprecated means these features are not available. But why still these people are displayed? Why? Because the old projects people are already using this. Before Chris, those people are already using. That's the reason these people are as it is. See, for example, what happened? On clicker, JavaScript buttons may reduce application security, block compatibility with Lightning Experience. We advise against using these buttons. Don't use this button, simple. Okay. Second one is Visual Force. You can use Visual Force, but Visual Force also we are not using it. Why? It is a very, very old UI. So here you have only one option called URL. Click on URL. Now, did you see this? Somewhere I told you in the starting, same window we are using multiple times. So again, same window we are coming. Here, what do you want? URL. You can enter the URL. Which URL? Amazon.in. Copy it. Paste it. Now you can tell that here compiler, check that URL correct or not. Syntax. Yes, correct. Save it. See, it is saying that the new custom button will not be displayed to the user until you add it into the page layout. You are creating the button. What is that? It is not displayed by default. You can add the page. That's what warning it is given. Okay. Button is created. Button is created. See, what is the button name? Open Amazon site. This is the API name. Behavior is display new window. Why display new window? I'm not using display new window, right? What is that? Display. Okay, one by one we'll see. Okay, then you can understand. Okay, display new window. That means one pop-up screen is coming. New window means the existing window is this. What is this? This one. If you click on it, one new window pop-up is coming. That is the display new window. That is the behavior. Within the window, what is coming? This URL. What is this URL? Amazon website. The new window size. What is that? Height 600. Width automatically existing. Preference. Preference means where did you? The left side or right side or center? No preference. We'll see. Resizable. Resizable means you can reduce or increase or decrease. These are the behaviors, guys. Now come to here. Add the buttons. Edit layout. Button is created, right? Where to go now? Buttons. See, fields we covered. Quick actions covered. Now, buttons. Where is the buttons? What is the button name? Where is the button name? What is the button name? Which name? Which button you are created? Where is the open? This one. See, open here. One green highlighted. That means that is the place you need to add it. Okay, open Amazon site. Click on it. Open Amazon site. So it seems like standard button. See, in the top and bottom. Why top and bottom? If more fields are there, you are going to down. At that time, immediately these buttons are available. Okay. Don't say we are not creating two buttons. How to getting the two buttons? One button, it will be aligned in the two times. Okay. Now click on it. What is the behavior? Click on it. 600 height. One new window is coming. That is the behavior. See, what is the behavior? Display new window. 600 height. No preference. Display new window. 600 size. There is no preference. I want to reduce the size. Why? It is occupy entire screen, right? Then go to button. Sorry. Go to button. Window open properties. So window, you can customize that window. Click on it. What is that? Width pixels or height pixels. Height pixels is, for example, 200. This is also width also 200. 200 into 200. And window position. Where to open the window? No preference means it is center. See here, top left or full screen. Only two options. Top left. This is the top. This is the left side. Top left. Remaining scroll bar. Do you want to show the scroll bar? Blah blah blah. Show the menu bar. These options. Okay. So you can save it. Now come to here. What is the size now? 200 to 200 left. See. This is your window. Okay. Now, based on your, what is that requirement, you can change it. What is that? The size and everything. Okay. Now I will change these to 500 into 500, something like this. Okay. Again, you can reload it and open it 500 into 500. Got it? Got it? So this is the button behavior. Possibilities I will explain you. What is the problems I will explain you next. So same, I want to open the same link here. Same link here. How? Again, go to account. Buttons and links. Second. Okay, done. Link I will tell you in the different example. Link also same, guys. It is not a big deal. What is that? Amazon link. Amazon link. Click on it. What is that? Detail page link. Display new window. URL. What is that URL? Amazon website URL. That's it. Link also same. Okay. What is that? Again. Check syntax. Okay. Save. Okay. Add into the page layout. Now it is a detail page link. Detail page link means go to account. Edit layout. Buttons are fields done. Buttons done. Quick actions done. Custom links. Click on it. What is the link name? Only one link. Amazon. If you drag it, see, this is the, it is highlighted. That means this is the only place you need to drag it. I am dragged here. Save it. Now, where is that? Amazon link. Click on it. Same 600 into 600. Now you can use whatever you want, guys. Okay. This is done. Now we'll see what is the disadvantage here. Not disadvantage actually. There is some problems. What are those? For example, go to the button, guys. Go to button. Which button? not new opportunity. What is the button? See here. Amazon billing, new opportunity, new task. Where is our button, man? Amazon link is there. Open, right? Open. Open Amazon site. Open it. Now, as of now, what is this behavior? Display in new window. Display in new window. I want to change in the different option. What is the option? Click on it. I don't require a new window. I want to display second. Display in existing window with sidebar. That means the Amazon website. What is that? If you click on it, save it. Display in existing window. What is the existing window? This is the window. If you click on it, in the same window, it will be replaced with the Amazon website. That means in the Salesforce website here, it will be open Amazon website. That is the meaning of display in existing window with sidebar. With sidebar means this sidebar here, whatever record page is there, instead of that, Amazon website is coming. Okay, we'll see. Save it. You don't want to add it. Why? This button already there in the layout. Now come to here, click on it. Now movie will start. Open. What is the behavior? Display in existing window. What is the existing window? Salesforce window. Previously, click on it, display new window. That is not Salesforce window. It is a new pop-up. That is separate window. But now, what is that? In the same Salesforce org, we are put it on the, what is that? Amazon site. Now see. Existing window replaced with the Amazon. Not come. So many people don't know what is the reason. It is not work. That's it. So here answer is very simple. What is that? Very simple, guys. Same concept I will explain in the coding. Anybody? Why it is not open? Hey, यार अरे मौसम ఉందండి పనిచేయట్లేదు ఉందా ఒకసారి ఇవ్వరా see here I will tell you same concept we are using lightning web components wherever you go we are using same thing guys okay so for example this is our home our house right this is our house within the house who is having access? Our family members. Our family members having the access, right? For example, this is our house, our family members having the access, right? One unknown guy come to our home and come to our bedroom and sleeping it. Is it possible? Did you accept it? No, right? He is a unknown guy. Why you are not accepting? Why unknown? What is the problem? If unknown guy, what is the problem? Security, right? Maybe that guy will be stolen something or harm something, blah, blah, blah. Same concept apply in the Salesforce as well. Instead of house, Salesforce, sorry. Instead of house, what is that? House nothing but our SFDC org. Unknown nothing but other technology. For example, this is the Java page, Java technology, right? This Java page you are open in the Salesforce page, Salesforce account. So in that case, what is that? This is the Salesforce page. You are open in the Salesforce account. You are open Java page. Java is a different technology, Salesforce is a different technology. If Java code you are embedded into your Salesforce, maybe it will be harm. Why? Because in the Java code, we don't know what is the code those people written. So for example, this is the Salesforce, this page is, for example, 10,000 lines of the page is there. Java, it is 200 lines of the code is there, lines are there. Now, whenever you are welcome to Java in our Salesforce, then what is the total code? Huh? 10,000 plus 200. 10,200. But this is maybe we are getting harm. Why? Why? Because these 200 lines in the Salesforce, we know what is Salesforce, whatever code you have written, what is the security and everything. But this is developed by someone. Maybe this script is developed by the hacker. Very simple. In your Android mobile, right? You are getting the so many links. Android or iPhone, it's not that much of easy. Okay. So many people are saying that, right? Instead of what is that Android mobile, why are you putting that 1.5 lakhs or 2 lakhs? Why? Because it is more secure, guys. iPhone is very, very secure. So Android, for example, you are getting one message. You got the what is that? 10 crores of the prize money. You are click the link. Indirectly, one .exe file will be installed in your Android mobile. If you see so many movies, guys, in Telugu also, right? Indirectly, automatically, within fraction of seconds, one .exe file install in your Android OS. So Android OS is some code. Within that, one small form code will be inserted. This code, who developed? Some hacker. Whatever activity you are doing in your mobile, this script, the .exe file, some script is there. That script, take that parameter. For example, you are open that HDFC account. You are enter, what is that? Username and password. Whenever you are enter username and password, already in mobile, that malformed script is there. That will be captured the parameters and tell to the respective hacker. Then your phone will be hacked. Understand? Same concept here. What is that? This Java, maybe there is a harm code or hacker code will be there. Okay. So in that case, in the Salesforce, what happened? So many sensitive data is there. It's our project data, right? This script will be, what is that? Stored in your username and passwords or other user information and sensitive information and hand over to the hackers. That is the reason it is not related to only Salesforce. All the Salesforce accounts in the worldwide, these people are using what is that? One cloud architecture. That means that server will be impacted. Whenever that server will be impacted, all Salesforce products will be gone. Understand? So that is the big impact. That is the reason first, whatever other sites, other scripts. So this other is called, this take word is very, very important. The other sites, other scripts called technically third party. Third party, technically we call it as third party sites, third party technology, something. These third party sites or third party pages or third party scripts, we are not allowing. Salesforce by default not allowing into the Salesforce. Understand? Same here. Whenever you are in the account, that is fine. This is salesforce.com. See, what is it? This is the domain. .com. What is the domain? Salesforce.com. Amazon.in. Amazon.in is a domain. Okay. This is the Salesforce.com domain. Within the domain, it is using only Salesforce related pages. Whenever you are click on it, see, within the Salesforce domain, we are redirecting to Amazon. That means we are, well, what is that? We are bring the other script into Salesforce. That means we are invite the unknown person to our home. We know the impact. So in this case also, Salesforce knows the impact. That is the reason if unfortunately or fortunately or whatever may be, you are inviting to the third party scripts or pages into Salesforce, the Salesforce itself automatically blocked. Automatically blocked. That is the reason not able to display, what is that? Other pages or scripts within the existing window. But new window is possible. New window means it is not Salesforce window, it is a separate window. There is no connection. So that is the reason not able to come. But some cases, guys, what is some cases? For example, this Amazon guy site is already there. This guy talk to, for example, Amazon Development Center. Hey guys, create one, what is that? Salesforce, some application in the Salesforce. Okay, within the Salesforce application, please use this space. In that case, client is a Amazon. Client is a Amazon. Amazon people need one application. In that case, this page also Amazon. So in that case, this Amazon people knows this is my application. You can allow it. Why? Because that Amazon website is mine. Even though it is other party, but I want the existing page I want to display in my Salesforce. Why? This Salesforce is I am consuming. What is it? I am purchasing it, creating a one app. Within the app, please use this page. Why? This is my page. How you are avoiding? In that case, very important interview question. Okay, in that case, we have follow two steps. Step number one, if you want to allow the third-party websites in the Salesforce, CORS, what is that? Security control, CORS, cross reference. Cross reference means Salesforce is one website, Amazon one. Amazon will be, what is that? Displaying the Salesforce. This is a cross domain technologies. So CORS option. Go to CORS, allow origin list. Please allow which origin? The other third party origin. You can tell them system, hey system, this is my website. Please allow it. Only that domain you can tell that. Salesforce blocked. Why? Because it is a and what is that? Not safe. But still client is saying that, hey, this is my website. You can allow it. I am the whatever happening, I am the responsibility. Then organization URL. See, to add the origin to CORS allow list, enter URL pattern, identify the origin. That means, okay, whenever you are click on the button, it is checking in the CORS this guy is allowed or not. Yes, it is allowed. That means you are giving the permission. Hey, whenever this page is coming into same here, this guy is your friend. Hey, family members, whenever my friend is coming, don't allow in the bedrooms, at least guest room. Okay, in the hall, up to hall, you can allow it. You also, he is a family friend. We can allow. That is the situation we are using. What is that? Option called CORS. Very important interview question. You can allow the CORS. Why did you use CORS? CORS means cross domain technology. Cross domain technology. Okay, cross domain sites. Okay, so now come to here. If you click on it, what is that? Salesforce will not allow. Immediately runtime engine, whenever Salesforce is not allowed, runtime engine going to CORS. So you are giving the permission or not to the respective domain. Yes, in the CORS, it is there. Now, still, it will not come. Even though you are added the CORS, it will not allow. That's the reason I'm telling the step 2. First step 1 is CORS. Second step. What is second step? You need to contact to support team. For developer is not possible. In the real time, you are raise the case to the Salesforce development support. Salesforce support. Those people internally those people allowing the site. For developer is not possible. Why? Because who will support us? It is a free edition. So you can raise the support ticket, then those people and inform to them, hey, this is my website, please allow it. Those people will take care the second part. This is interview question. That's the reason I'm telling that. Nobody will tell you. Okay. So clear? Clear? If what is that? In the existing window, we are not able to display the what is the third party websites. Why? It is a security issue. Still, I want to display the third party website in the Salesforce. Yes, there is a possibility. The first possibility is in the go to cars and add the website. Second one is raise the case to the support. Then Salesforce will allow the what is that? The third party website to the Salesforce. Clear? Any questions? Understand? Understand, guys?
Cost use చేసినప్పుడు కూడా వెబ్సైట్ ఓపెన్ కావాలి.
అదే చెప్తున్నా కదా, కార్డ్స్ యూజ్ చేసిన వెబ్సైట్ కాకుండా సెక్యూరిటీ అది. అగైన్ స్టిల్ మన సైడ్ our Salesforce side, we need to enable it in the back end. Why? Because that impact to the Salesforce server as well. That taking care by support team.
సపోర్ట్ టీమ్ ఓకే అలౌ చేసినా కూడా కార్డ్స్ అనేవి ఎనేబుల్ ఉంటేనే
ఖచ్చితంగా two ways. We need to enable cards and support team will be enabling in the back end. We don't know what it is. Okay. Sir, these two steps I have followed the corporate as well, or just costs will do? Thanks. That's the reason, guys. Still costs is not working. Then you need to raise the Salesforce support. Understand, Sajit? So we are using so many integration. At the time we are using cards actually. Still it is not working. Then we are raise the case. Okay. So the two possibilities I'm telling that. Okay. Yeah. That's it, guys. Understand why it is not working. So display in existing, wherever existing is coming, third party website will not allow. Now exist. Edit. So display existing window with sidebar, display existing window without sidebar, display existing window without sidebar and header. Three options. All are existing window. In this case, what is a third party website will not work. If you want to work, costs, you allow the costs and raise the support team case. For example, I want to replace with what is that? I want to display one URL in this existing window. In that case, you must use the Salesforce page. What is the Salesforce page? I want to open some Salesforce page means I want to open products, for example. For example, this is one page, Salesforce page. Whenever I click the button, I want to open this page. So this page is who developed? Salesforce. This is a Salesforce page. Instead of this, you can use Salesforce page. Then save it. Now what happened? Whatever URL is there, this is the Salesforce URL. Salesforce or Salesforce URL you are open. It will be allowing. See, go to accounts. Not Amazon actually, it is a product page. Click on it. Why? Two headers, two left panels. Why? What is the option you are selected? Display existing window with sidebar. But I don't require sidebar and header. So what is the option you want to select? Without sidebar and header. Duplicate is coming, right? Now see. See, without sidebar, without header. Done. Now come to here. If you click on it, it is going to product page. Done. Again, come back. Why it is open? This page is open. This page also Salesforce page. URL Salesforce. Salesforce allowing Salesforce pages. Got it? Got it, everybody? Online people got it. Okay. Now one more here, list page. Little bit confused so many people, but try to understand. See guys, I want to create one button in the list page. I want to create one button in the list page. So in that case, where to create the list bar? See, where did you need the button? Where did you need the button? On here or here or here? Where did you want? For example, I want on cases. So case related list, I want the button. In that case, please remember all the people, so many people getting, I'm getting the, what is that, emails. Okay. Whenever you want list button on related list of the cases, then don't create the list button on account. Why? List button, where did you need? Where did you need? In cases related list. That means in the cases you can create the list button, not account. Understand? In the cases related list, I want button. That means that button related to which button? Case object. In the case object, you can create the list button. So go to case object. Case object. Sorry, it is a standard object. Case. Where is that? Buttons. New button. For example, my cases. This is the button name. Which button? List button. That means wherever cases as a related list, in that this button is available. Wherever cases as a related list, in that case this button will be available. Now see, do you want display checkboxes? I don't record any checkbox. Okay. Now, what do you want? I want cases. Which cases? For example, here I want closed cases. These all are, why? These all are closed cases. All 23 closed cases. Huh? I want to open cases. How many open cases are there? New. So how many cases are there? 4. Now these cases I want to display as a related list. Okay. Now come to here. Add here. Display existing window with sidebar. Okay. Display existing window with sidebar. Don't require. Without sidebar. Right? Sidebars are coming double. Right? So this is the one. Now check syntax. Save it. Which button it is? Which button? List button. It is a list button. So list button means wherever cases as a related list. So in the account, case as related list. Here it is available. Why? It is a list button. Now go to account. Edit layout. Where to go? Where did you add the button? In the detail page or where? Cases. Okay. What is the list? Which list? Cases list. Cases. Go to settings. If you want to add the fields, this is the option. Close it. Buttons. See, my cases button is available. Why? It is a list button. Click on it. Add it. Okay. Save it. Done. Come down. See, my cases. It's the open case. Click on it. See, all. Okay, I'm adding directly this case. No problem. So that's it. All cases are open. So this is called list button. So we covered, what is that? Detail page button, detail page link, list buttons. But all scenarios we are hard coding it. Okay. My requirement is, wait man, I will tell you. Okay. That's the reason I told you so many times. Huh? Please. So now my requirement is, in all the scenarios, I am added, what is that? Direct hard coded values. Now I will explain you one real time use case. In the real time, we are not using like this, guys. My real-time use case is for example here, one second, I want to check the data. My requirement, guys. See how you are thinking here, very important. Okay, how you are thinking, it's very important. So, for example, Mahindra, what is that? Yeah, Mahindra people come to picture. Okay, those people asking, hey guys, I want to store my all the vehicle information. So in that case, in the Salesforce, how to store it? A vehicle information. Vehicle nothing but products. Try to understand the scenario first. Okay, don't go to how to do it. That is not required. Understand the business first. Mahindra people asking, store my all the information in the Salesforce. All the information means Mahindra XUV 300, Mahindra XUV 500, Mahindra XUV 700. So many cars are there. So I don't want to store, like for example, 2 to 3 cars, I want to store it. So first, as a developer or as a architect, which object is suitable for storing the, what is that? Their information. Which object? Always products. You don't want to create it. Why? Already product object is there. Now you can click on it. What is the product name? Exact name. Okay, for example, we don't know exact name. I want to open Mahindra website. Mahindra. 1 second, man. Mahindra. Why I am simulating the real-time sites? You can understand now. See, not now. Open it. For example, this is the Mahindra site. Okay. Now see, guys. I agree. Vehicles. Which vehicles are available? I need to pick the same vehicles, guys. Vehicles. What is that? Scorpio and XUV 700. Okay. XUV 700. See, guys. First, I want to store XUV 700. The product code is blah 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 and add the features. Where is the XUV 700? I think you need to enter something blah 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 and blah blah blah. Okay, now XUV 700. If you open it, some blah 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 is coming. You can copy it and add the description. Okay, but I want to. Okay, this is the one. It is active. It is available. Okay, now add the product. I don't want to add the price and everything. You know how to add it. Save. Next product. What is the next product? Here someone thought. Okay, I will add it. Where is the Thar? Vehicles. Click on it. Thar. So I want to create one more clone. Clone means copy. Thar. Okay. Product code is blah blah blah. So this is the description. Something. Leave it. So I want to create 2 vehicles. I want to store 2 vehicle information. Now Mahindra people are asking. See how in the real time we are using. Whatever we learn, it is a nonsense, to be honest. It is a learning purpose, but in the real time, how to use it. So Mahindra people saying that, hey guys, please store my all the vehicle information. We are storing it. Not all, at least 2. Same like you have so much of time, you can go to the website and store it. Now the people are asking, one of the guy is asking their pain. One of the, what is that? Customer is coming. In that case, I am using Salesforce, for example. That guy, what is the reception guy? Can you please explain me about what is the car or XUV 700 features and current price and everything, right? In that case, these people are go to the products and open the XUV 700. But in the XUV 700, what is there? What is the product code? What is the name? Whether active or not? The remaining details, what is the image and how it is look like, everything already in the website it is there. Recently, these people are migrating to Salesforce. In that case, those people will not destroy their website, right? It is good. This is developed by some other technology. Still, I want to use this website. Understand? In that case, guys, 2 minutes. In that case, these people are saying that whenever I open the XUV 700, okay, from here, I want to open respective card details. I want to create one link. If you click on it, link, where to go? Not Mahindra website. Directly going to Mahindra website, XUV website. If you open Thar, go to Thar related page. Then problem will be resolved. Why? Whenever someone is coming, this guy click on it, then it is going to XUV 700. This page I want to display it. This page I want to display it. Understand? So now these people come to here, click on the link, it is open. Now these people explain that these are the features, blah blah blah. Why? Already information is there. Why are you again you are what is that storing in your Salesforce? The website already there. Understand? This is the solution, guys. Your website already there. Why are you again storing the entire data? So the basic data I want to store it, but from here to there, I want to redirect it and explain that customer. Okay, the mileage, the what is that, the images and every feature I want to explain that. Here the challenging part is, if it is XUV, how to redirect to XUV? If the link is, the record is Thar, how to redirect to Thar? If it is a XUV 500, how to redirect to XUV 500 space? Okay, how to do that? We'll see tomorrow. Okay, guys?
Page open this, link is there.
In that case, I will, that's the reason. I will create one link with that page. After that, for example, here XUV 700 is there, your copy paste the XUV 700 link. Some new car is coming. Then again, your copy paste the link in the back end. I don't want like that. Whenever I'm entering XUV 700, the link automatically generating XUV 700 link. Whenever I am entering Thar link automatically generated. Whenever I am entering what is the other XUV 300 link automatically generated. That means I want to create dynamic links. Whatever record you are entered, the link automatically generated the respective link. Like that, I will do tomorrow. This is a real-time example. Okay, guys? Any questions? Any feedback? Understood everybody? All are in same path? Online people? Anybody? Either negative or positive feedback, always welcome. Why? Because you pay some fee, not some fee. You pay some, what is that, fee, right? And you are spending more time. That's the reason. Please tell me any questions or whatever it may be. All are good. The remaining people, especially Srini, you are asking so many questions. That's the reason I'm asking you. Good. I'm just kidding, man. Okay. Yeah. The remaining people. Okay, guys. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay. The dynamic links. Then that concept is over. Thank you.